can't believe I had to make this deal. These are my Chainsaw Man form. Just want to fight someone already. I'm just gonna stop walking. Huh? Ah! What the heck was that? You gotta run! Ah! What the? What is... No one can stop me! I'm the rulers of the world, and I will kill everyone that's on this planet! Oh, come on, now we have to deal with a devil with katanas. Wait, aren't I pretty good at katanas? Huh? Hey! You! Huh? Me? Yeah, you! Come up and fight me! I see that key you have in your weakling body. Okay, whatever you say so. Perfect. Why you have to throw me off a building? Alright, where is he? Okay, sorry about that. Anyways. You'll never defeat me. I'm too powerful with my katanas. Well, you kinda are weak. What? Why'd you call me weak? I literally just threw you off a building. Well, it didn't hurt me that bad. I just screamed because I fell. Exactly! But you tried to hurt me, but it didn't hurt. I just screamed because I fell. Whatever. Really try to be strong. But I bet you can't stop this kick. Try to beat that. I don't have to beat anything. I don't have to beat anything. I'll show you my famous move. Wait, what are you doing? Here. But you can't do another one. Oh, really? Oh, really? You're done. Shouldn't have thought about it before killing Granddad. Say your last words before you die. Who says I can't fight? And I'll die. I still have a chainsaw on my head. There's anything I can do without my chainsaw on my head? You dummy! Oh, you're done. Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit? What's so funny? You win for my head like a dummy. Well, thanks for a lot about that, dummy. Huh? Didn't that little dummy, didn't that old dummy ever teach you to go to a different spot before you do your target? Should have gone for the leg, loser.